you really do. It's over here. Right there. Do you want it? You have to balance a lot, I know. Okay, I'm gonna put it over here. You come get it over here. You're gonna have to cross the divide. I know.